Hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and sometimes controversial topic. Cows are undeniably adorable creatures. Their large, soulful eyes, gentle demeanor, and soft, velvety noses make them endearing to people of all ages. Despite their inherent cuteness, cows play a significant role in providing sustenance for humans. Their meat, commonly known as beef, is a staple in many cuisines worldwide. From juicy steaks to hearty burgers, beef is a protein-rich source that satisfies taste buds and fills plates. While the use of cows for beef production is a common practice, some people choose alternative protein sources or advocate for plant-based diets to reduce reliance on animal products. But, does being a vegetarian help the world? We'll explore various aspects of this question, including the importance of carnivorous animals in ecosystems, whether humans are naturally carnivorous, and if we really need to eat meat. We'll also touch on the plight of cows, the feasibility of a meat-free diet, and the pros and cons of being vegetarian. Let's get started. First, let's talk about carnivorous animals and their role in ecosystems. Carnivores, such as lions, wolves, and eagles, play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of nature. They keep herbivore populations in check, preventing overgrazing and promoting biodiversity. For example, without wolves, deer populations can explode, leading to overgrazing that damages forests and grasslands. This, in turn, affects other species that depend on these habitats. Additionally, carnivores often prey on the sick and weak, helping to keep prey populations healthy and strong. The presence of top predators can also shape the behavior and distribution of other species, creating a dynamic and balanced ecosystem. But what about humans? Are we naturally carnivorous? Humans are actually omnivores, meaning we can eat both plant and animal products. Our ancestors' diets varied widely depending on their environment, with some consuming more meat and others more plants. Over time, our bodies have adapted to a mixed diet, giving us the flexibility to choose what we eat based on availability and preference. The structure of our teeth, with both sharp canines for meat and flat molars for grinding plants, reflects this omnivorous nature. Additionally, our digestive system is capable of processing a wide variety of foods, allowing us to thrive on diverse diets. Do we really need to eat meat, though? Nutritionally, meat provides essential nutrients like protein, iron, and vitamin B12. However, these nutrients can also be obtained from plant-based sources and supplements. Many experts agree that a well-planned vegetarian or vegan diet can provide all the necessary nutrients for a healthy life. Studies have shown that plant-based diets can reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. For instance, legumes, nuts, and seeds are excellent sources of protein, while leafy greens, beans, and fortified cereals can provide iron. Vitamin B12, which is primarily found in animal products, can be obtained from fortified foods or supplements. Now, let's take a look at the impact of meat consumption on cows and other livestock. Cows are often raised in large numbers to meet the demand for beef and dairy products. This has led to concerns about animal welfare, environmental degradation, and the sustainability of our food systems. The meat industry is a significant contributor to greenhouse gas emissions, deforestation, and water usage. For example, cattle farming is responsible for a substantial portion of methane emissions, a potent greenhouse gas. Deforestation for pastureland and feed crops further exacerbates climate change and habitat loss. Moreover, the vast amounts of water required for raising livestock contribute to water scarcity in many regions. Let's take a moment to consider the emotional aspect of killing animals for human needs. For many people, the thought of taking a life, especially one that feels pain and exhibits social behaviors, is distressing. Animals such as cows, pigs, and chickens are sentient beings capable of forming bonds, experiencing fear, and showing affection. The emotional toll on workers in slaughterhouses is also significant, as they are often exposed to traumatic and stressful conditions. This emotional burden has led many individuals to adopt vegetarian or vegan lifestyles, driven by a desire to reduce suffering and promote compassion towards all living beings. So, is it possible for humans to eliminate meat from their diets? The answer is yes, but it comes with challenges. A global shift to vegetarianism would require significant changes in agriculture, food production, and cultural practices. However, there are many examples of cultures and individuals who thrive on plant-based diets. By exploring alternative protein sources, such as tofu, tempeh, and legumes, and making gradual dietary changes, it's possible to reduce our reliance on meat. Innovations in food technology, such as lab-grown meat and plant-based meat alternatives, are also making it easier for people to adopt vegetarian diets without sacrificing their favorite flavors and textures. What are the advantages and disadvantages of being vegetarian? On the plus side, vegetarian diets are associated with numerous health benefits, including lower risks of heart disease, hypertension, and certain cancers. They also have a smaller environmental footprint compared to meat-based diets. However, vegetarians need to be mindful of potential nutrient deficiencies, such as iron and vitamin B12, and ensure they get a balanced diet. Social and cultural factors can also pose challenges, as vegetarianism may not be as widely accepted or understood in some communities. It's important for vegetarians to educate themselves about nutrition and seek support from healthcare professionals if needed. In conclusion, being a vegetarian can have positive impacts on both our health and the environment. While it may not be necessary for everyone to completely eliminate meat, reducing meat consumption and making mindful dietary choices can contribute to a more sustainable and ethical world. Every small step counts, whether it's participating in Meatless Mondays or exploring new vegetarian recipes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more thought-provoking content.